Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you unboxing and review of SKMEI 1301 watch review. So this watch I had bought from AliExpress, as you can see looking at the package only. So this cost me around 6 to 800. So it has come from China Post and it took around 20 days to come to my location. So let us unbox it now. So as you can see it is a simple packaging from them. So let me open it now. I don't know how the quality will be. Actually this is a Bluetooth watch. Yeah, so let me just go back. Yeah, so here's a watch and I can see some user manual. Okay, so nothing else in the box. Okay, so let us see this is the user manual and this is the watch itself, as you can see. So let us look at the watch. Okay, first let us see the user manual. What we can get inside this. Okay, they has given some specification of this watch, as you can see, how to control this watch and how to operate it, and also how to connect to the Bluetooth and all. So this is the thing. And also if you want to use that feature of the Bluetooth, you have to download this app from this QR code scanner. So let us look out to the watch itself now. Just let me bring the camera into focus. Yes, so here's a watch. Okay, so for looking it looks good only, as you can see. So it says from backside it has 5 ATM waterproof shielding and the originality mark of this SKMEI hologram. And this looks very good also. The strap also looks really nice, flexible, good, and the display is also really nice. It's somewhat bulged from inside. So let's on the watch. That is on, as you can see. Let me show you. It made some sound. So as you can see the timer has started. So and also you can see the Bluetooth symbol over there. It is blinking. If it is blinking, that means it is not connected still now, and if it stops blinking means that means you are connected to the Bluetooth. And this can track your pedometer, like that, and all steps, and how much calories you have burnt, as you can see over here. That's simple. And this is something I have to check out the features of it. This is the alarm of it. And also when you have connected this to your mobile phone and any phone calls comes, so you can get the notification of this calls here only, so you don't have to check whose call is coming. So you can check out on this watch itself. So it's a really good feature of this watch. And also you can see the SKMEI branding over here. It looks really good, and it has a 50-meter water distance in it. And from the side you can see two buttons. This is for light, as you can see. Let me show you the light. I think so you can't see in this daylight. I have to show it in the dark only, so I'll show it later part of the video. So from the looks it looks really nice. Also SKMEI some tag of it, and this thing from sides, as you can see this how it looks. It looks good in terms of style also. And the battery code seems to be CR2430, because this can consume a lot of battery as it is an Bluetooth device, so you have to change the battery after 6 months or so. So that's the demerit of this watch, and the battery goes very fast. Yeah, the strap already also looks really nice. Let me wear the watch and show you guys, just a moment. So as you can see the watch, I have worn it on my wrist, so it looks really good and comfortable, and the display is also really nice, as you can see. And this has perfectly fit in my wrist. I am using the last one, as you can see, and there's some bulged over here so that this thing doesn't come out, as you can see. Let me show you. Yeah, here, this part. So in point of style statement, it looks really good. I have to set the time and all. I do it later in that video. So it has alarm, chronographic mode, pedometer, As you can see, this is call, and you can also check the messages from here. As you can, this is a call thing, this is the messaging thing. You focus it, yeah, please press there. Yeah, as you can see now, this is the messaging part. And also, if you can use this watch as a remote camera also. So when you are having a mobile and you're unable to touch the screen of it, you can just tap any of the button through this and you can capture the photo in your mobile phone. So that's a really great option from this watch. So that is a really good thing of it. So in the looks really good, and the features are also really good. Let us see how much days does it last. So this is the SKMEI 1301, if I'm not wrong, watch. So that's all for this video. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel so it can so that I can make more and more such videos of this. So thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.